Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT for technical analysis to make smarter, faster, and more data-driven trading decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this tutorial will help you combine AI and stock market insights to gain an edge in your trades. So why use ChatGPT for trading? Most traders spend hours analyzing patterns, trends, and indicators, but with ChatGPT, you can instantly summarize market data, interpret indicators, and even generate trade ideas. So think of it as your AI trading assistant helping you interpret what the charts are really saying. So you can start by opening ChatGPT and choosing the advanced data analysis mode if available. And then you can just upload CSV files by clicking on this plus button. You can add the files, and you can just simply copy the price summaries from platforms like TradingView, Yahoo Finance, or investing.com. And after that, you can just tell ChatGPT exactly what you want to analyze. So here's a great prompt to start with. You can just use this prompt. For example, after you upload your file, you can use this prompt. Act as a technical analyst. Analyze the stock trend of Tesla from January to June 2025 using support and resistance level RSI, MACD, and volume, and suggest possible entry and exit points for swing trading. And after that, you can just hit on submit, and then you can just ChatGPT will then generate a breakdown of bullish and bearish signals plus a summary of market sentiment. So ChatGPT's response often includes trend direction, key price levels, and possible reversals. You can ask it to follow up questions like which indicators confirm a potential breakout, or show me a simplified summary for a beginner trader. So this will help you refine your strategy, especially if you are learning chart patterns. So remember, ChatGPT doesn't replace real charts, it enhances them. You can combine its insight with tools like TradingView or MetaTrader to confirm signals visually. For example, if ChatGPT says RSI shows overbought condition, you can cross-check that with your live chart before deciding. And that's it. You've learned how to use ChatGPT for technical analysis and how AI can level up your trading strategy. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more about this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all on the next one.